My screen is visible for you.
It's visible.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, we finished, I think, up to four types of variables. By by default, if you want to declare any variable, we need to declare variable, then the name of the variable, that means label. After that, we need to specify three arguments. What are they? One is the description. Got it? Description. Second one is description is equal to maybe text. Then after that, type is equal to string. After that, default. Default is equal to that value. That value in the sense constant. Constant. This is the way of representation of variable. I think everybody know it. Everybody know it. This can be, if you want to pass dynamically, this is the type 1. Maybe I may give one by one. This is type 1. In type 2, I am going for type 2 now. Here type 1 is finished. Assume I go for type 2. In type 2, there we are giving values, assign values dynamically at CLI, command line interface, dynamically call at CLI. How to specify? Same thing copy paste. Control V. Just remove this one. This is the second case. You got it. No need to specify. Default one. It will ask value at runtime. This is second type is also over. We go for third type. Type 3. In type 3, representation is very common. Here like this is there. This won't modify. In type 3, just pasting here. How to represent in the sense at runtime, here Terraform apply. After that, hyphen var is equal to double quotation variable name. Variable name is equal to that. This is the way to represent. This is the type 3. Now we go for type 4. In type 4, what is the way of representation of type 4 in the sense? Their way of specification is very common. Again paste it. In type 4, what I may specify in the sense, I may give this is only default. This is the default in the sense, even I can specify, this is variable dot df file. This is the variable dot df file. Within the variable.tf file, this code is there. For this code, we want to pass automatically, dynamically it want to take at runtime. Dynamically it want to take, we need to specify Terraform dot tf vars. Actually, there we got a problem yesterday. Terraform dot tf vars. What you need to specify here in the sense, suppose you pass something values, right? Assume that is the variable name. Variable name is, I think, instance type. Assumption I am giving here. Assume instance type. INSTANS instance type is equal to Here I mention this is the name assumed. The name is what? Instance type. Instance underscore type. This is the variable. What is the default value here? Assume T2 micro. Assume T2 micro. T2 dot micro is there. Generally, what it will take? T2 dot micro only will take. Whenever you specify one name, one file name, terraform.tfvars, if you specify instance underscore type, assume T3 medium. T3 medium or T2 micro. T2 micro is also there, right? T2 micro is there, even T2 micro is there. I specified what? T3 micro. T3 micro or T3 medium. That is your wish. That is your wish. Here, it can override. It can override. It can override in the sense, in place of T2 micro, with the T3 micro, we are replacing. For example, assume I am giving clarity for you. Oh, already there everything. Control Z will work or not? Control Z. So, no, not visible everything. What how I can get control by? Actually, no problem. Now, what is my intention in the sense? See, this is one variable. Here I mentioned that. I want to replace means I am overriding, removing this 10, I am placing 20. I am placing 20. In the same way, wherever T2 micro is there, I want to replace with T3 micro. This is my intention. This is my intention. Yesterday it didn't work. Something I did, a small problem I did. Today we'll check that one. How to check it? Go to VS4. Go to VS4. I think this one everybody know it. This one everybody know it. See here terraform.tf state is there, right? Is the terraform.tf state. In the same way, terraform tf class. Don't mention like this. This is the problem yesterday I did. What I did is the general variables. Where is the variables? Here input vars dot tf. This is the general variable. Input dot tf class. Input dot tf class. Here, what I want to do is, here I am taking all these things, these two things, control X, control X. This is our actual variables. These are our actual variables. Here, anybody having difficulty? This is the variables. Access key, secret key, CADR block range, region. Oh, this is the second time is there. This is the second time is there. We don't want this. We don't want this to. Now observe here. I think we are proper. Someone is trying to join. Kishore again rejoining, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Good. Now observe here. This is already fixed 15.15.0.0. If we execute this, if we execute in the sense, if I use Terraform apply, what is the CADR block range you may get? 15.15.0.0. My intention is I don't want this. I want to override this. How can I override? Select this variable name. Select this variable name. Copy it. Where you want to paste it? In terraform.tf state. Not tf state. Terraform.tfvars. Control V. You tell me that is your wish. Which CADR block range you want to specify? Maybe here is 100.0.0 by 16. This is our wish. This is our wish. Understood or not? We'll check only this one. We'll check only this one. Here double quotation is mandatory or optional. We'll check it. I think we need to use double quotation. We need to provide double quotation. Control yes. Control S. What is our actual CADR block? Observe and tell me once again. What is the actual CADR block range? 15.15.0.0. I am specifying this is the actual. This is terraform.tf. This is the first priority. This is the second priority. Now, this can override with this. What does it mean? First, it will take this one only 15.15.15. Again, it will go and check it. Terraform.tfrs is there? Yes, there. It will override. It will override in the sense where our 15 is there, replacing with 100, 100, 100. Now we'll try to check. Now we'll try to check. It will work or not. It will work. What is the region here? Remember, what is the region name? Observe and tell me, what is the region name? Region AP South 1. In AP South 1, we'll get with VPC. I think VPC, right? VPC. Which VPC? My VPC. My VPC with CAD block range according to our scenario 100.100.0.16 we will get it. How can I execute? Go to here. Go to here. There. Where is the terminal? Where is the terminal? Tell me. Terminal. Terminal, yes, right? New terminal. Terraform ERREFORM init. If anything goes wrong, it will reinitializing. Yes, sir. CLS, what next? Terraform, directly I'm applying. Terraform, apply. Terraform, apply. Directly I'm doing. What happens here? What happens here? Terraform, apply. Terraform, apply. What was the problem? Terraform, the TRRAF. Spelling mistake. Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
Spelling
Terraform.
mistake. Terraform, F-O-R-M.
Correct.
Terraform, yes. Our intention is we need to create with 100.100.100. 100.100.100. Go to instances. There go to VPC, type VPC. Enter it. If in the Mumbai only, the name is my VPC. Maybe some other names also may be there. Our intention is the name may be same name is there. See 100.100.100.
Yeah, it is
We
there.
don't, no, these are the
Yes.
normal VPCs. We try to remove all these VPCs. We try to remove. Where is the remove option? Not getting. Remove it. So there's VPC. I want to remove. Delete VPC. We delete our DE will be delete. The same way, I want to delete this feature. So, the big closer is once our work is over, we will do. That is the best procedure. Yeah, going to this is somewhere usable. I think this is just now created, right? Just now. Who will delete this one? Maybe through Terraform only we will delete. Through Terraform only we will delete. I hope you got the clarity, right? What is the advantage of Terraform.tfs? What is the advantage of? We can override existing variables. We'll override existing variables. User-defined variables, we can override. We can override with the help of Terraform.txt. Suppose, see, I may go
TF
with
file.
TF, Terraform.tfs.
Input
Terraform.tfs.
dot where's dot tf ఉంది కదా ఇది నార్మల్ ఫైల్
This is the normal
ఈ
variables.
ఫైల్
This is
యా
user-defined
ఇట్ ఈస్
variable file. This is
ఓకే
overridden with this file. Overridden
యా
with
యా
this file. If both
యా
are there,
ఓకే
this is
యూఎఫ్ఎస్
the higher
యా
priority. This is the lower priority. When if both are there.
ఓకే
Okay,
ఓకే
good.
ఓకే
Next, what is the next concept? See, in place of Terraform.tfs, what I want to do is, see, I may duplicate. Is there any duplicate? I want to copy, copy, or any, is there any duplicate option? I want to duplicate. No, not there.
యా
Not there. If not there, I'll go with Alt F8, save as it may work. Now see here. Now my intention is maybe dev dot tfs. Okay, dev.tfs. In the same way, am I created dev.tfs, right? In the same way, I want to go with the test.tfs. Shall we go for test.tfs? Alt F. test dot test dot tf vars tfvrs. Now check it. Really, it got created, right? Two extra files, test.tfs and dev.tf. Which one you want to execute? Your wish, tell me. Dev.tfs or you want to execute with test.tfs? We'll change based on that. You tell me which one shall we take at the time of runtime? I don't want to execute with which one? Default one. What is the default one? Terraform.tfs. I don't want. Why I don't want? I may give small clarity for you because of I am going to here. Assume. I am creating infrastructure, This is the assume infrastructure. This is the infrastructure. See, infrastructures will create for three different purpose. See, one infrastructure for development purpose, another infrastructure for testing purpose, one more infrastructure for production purpose. Are you agree with me? This is the real time procedure, right? Here, I want to create, see, maybe one VPC, assume one VPC. That VPC you want to create on US East one. Got it or not? I want to create one VPC on US East one. Assume I want to create one VPC on AP South one. AP South one. In the same way, I want to create one VPC on maybe US East 2. May be possible or may not be possible. May be possible, right? How many infrastructures you want to create? Three infrastructures you want to create. See, I am giving the variable name is dev.tf. In the same way, QA.tf was. Now tell me prod.tf was. Is there any difficulty till now? I think you got the clarity here. Here, if I use this dev.tfs, I want to create my infrastructure in US East 1. If I use qa.tfs, I want to create my infrastructure in Mumbai. If I use prod.tfs, I want to create infrastructure in the US East 2. Shall we go for that? How to create this? See, already we discussed this Terraform.tfs is there. Which is the higher priority? Anyone respond? Which is the higher priority? This one only having higher priority. This one only having higher priority. To avoid this priority, I want to go with my own priority. My own priority in the sense, you may make use of this or you may make use of this. Tell me, you want to use which one? Please respond. Dev.tfs you want to use or test.tfs? That is your wish. In this file, 100.100 is there, right? Now our intention is what? In that, you tell me one race, that is your wish. You tell me one race. 45 dot, maybe I am taking 55.0.16. Control yes, sir. Even I may go with the test.tfs. Test.tfs. I may go with the 200 dot, 200 dot, 200 dot. Are you understood or not? See how many type of CADR representations are there? Actually, 4 types are there. Here input vars.tf 15.15 is there. In Terraform.tfs 100.100 is there. In test.tfs 200.200 is there. In dev.tfs 45.55 is there. Which one you want to create? Tell me, that is your wish. Am I audible?
Yes, audible.
Which one you want to, which, through
We
which
go this one only.
CADR block you want
Dev
to
dot
create VPC?
45
Dev,
dot.
dev,
This one,
got
yeah,
it?
45
Dev.
dot. Yeah, yes.
Uh, how to use dev? That is our question. How to
Yes.
use dev? First, what will you do? First, what will you do? See, Terraform apply hyphen where hyphen file is equal to dev.tf. This is the way to utilize. I hope you understood or not. Terraform apply hyphen var hyphen file is equal to, what does it mean? Hyphen variable file. What is the variable file? It is the customization. What does it mean? Customization means user defined. Is it user defined or not? tf dot test dot tfs is the user defined. Dev dot tfs is the user defined. Our intention is dev dot tfs. In dev dot tfs, what it is there? In dev dot tfs, 45.55 is there. I think dev dot tf
Yes.
40. Now we'll try to save anyway. And now I am trying to execute. I am trying to execute. I think it is moving. Anything goes wrong? It is 45.55, right? 45.55. I think control yes. Control yes. Coming to here, execute. What it will say? What it is saying? One to add, one to destroy. Are you agree with me? Why one to destroy means? First it will remove it. Again it will recreate. Now, yes, confirmation. Where it is creating infrastructure in our scenario, maybe Mumbai only, in Mumbai only. Now we'll check it. Refresh it. Now check it. 45.55. You got it or not? Respond anyone? 45.55.0.0. Here, what is the specialty here? We can create infrastructure in multiple environments. We can create infrastructure in multiple environments. We can create infrastructure in multiple environments. I hope you got the clarity. Got it? All right. Download. Shall we go for the next scenario? This is the, I think, fifth one, right? According to theory, I think, which one? Where is this one? One. Next one. What is the next type? Next type. See, here I specified maybe type assume type fifth one. Type fifth is we implemented. What is the way of implementation? Hyphen where hyphen file is equal to file name, variable variable file underscore file dot. What is the extension? This is important. Anyone respond? tf vars. tf vars. Last week in interview, this one they asked. We didn't tell the answer. Maybe something differently we told. Maybe they didn't say right or wrong, but they listen and leave. They will feel. They will internally feel okay. How many answers? Based on suppose they ask 10 questions, we given 8 answers properly. They may move to next round. Otherwise, simply they will tell. We'll tell to our team members. They will take care. Till now clear, right? Shall we go for type 6? Type 6. How to represent type 6? Observe. What is the power of type 6? Type 6. In type 6, you may represent, here is dev dot auto dot tfs. See, here also, existing one, how you represent it here? What is the file name you represented? Dev dot, tf vrs. Are you agree with me? No, dev dot, what is the name we specified? What is the name? Dev dot tfs, right? Here extra thing is there. Dev dot, what is there? Dev dot auto dot
Auto.
tfs. Auto tfs. It will automatically override. It will automatically override. Shall we go and apply this? Shall we go and apply this? It will no need to specify, no need to specify variable file. No need to specify variable. When you specify auto, what does it mean? Auto means automatically. Auto means we'll try to change. Dev dot, right click, rename, dev dot auto dot tfs. Dev dot auto dot tfs. Enter it. Now I'll change here. I'll change the value here. 45 in place of 40. 40 dot 50 dot 40 dot 50 dot. Control S. Control S. Now I'll try once again. What happens? We'll check it. I don't want to give anything here. I want to run it. What happens? We'll see. Really, is it executed or not? Now give confirmation yes. Now we'll check that. Shall we go and check it? Yes, here I am going. Yes, refresh. 40 dot 50 dot automatically have you got it or not? Now see, am I getting or not? Am I got it or not? 40 dot 50 dot 0 dot 0.
Yes.
40 dot 50 dot. You may ask me a question. You may ask me. Here dev dot auto dot tfr is there. Again, same way, test dot auto dot tfr. Don't give like that. Don't give. Only one thing. Either this one you need to convert or this one you need to convert. If both are there, we don't know, right? Which one will take? We don't know. We don't know the priority. Which one? The best scenario says what it says. If you want to pass dynamically, that one you need to specify. That one you need to specify dev dot auto dot tfs. Assume. Here it will take dynamically, right? Suppose if you want to give manually, what you need to specify? Terraform apply hyphen where hyphen file is equal to test.tfs. I hope you understood. Yes or no? If you don't
Yes.
want to specify at the time of Terraform apply, you may go with this. If you want to specify at runtime, hyphen where, hyphen file, you need to give in this way. Is it clear? I think it is clear. I think got it. These are the ways generally we can use. Next, we go for the complex type. What is the difference between maybe scalar type and complex type? I may go with small description. Please try to understand here. In scalar type, scalar, S-C-A-L-A-R, scalar type. Scalar means single value assign. This is, till now we did only single value. Have you understood or not? Even we use many variables. Each variable's default value. How many default values we assign? Only one default value. Only one default value. Now we'll go with the complex types. Complex types. What are the complex types? Answers are very simple. Option A, list type. List type is the one type of complex type. Maybe B I am taking. B is, what is that? List map type. Map or dictionary. DACTIONAR. Dictionary type. List type or dictionary type. How to represent variables in list type and dictionary type. List type and dictionary type. We can easily work with. We can easily work. For example, here we need to go. Shall we go on? There we need to go with maybe ranges only. We'll try to understand with the ranges. We can easily understand which range you want to specify. That is your wish. That is your wish. I will go with the variables. Here input wheres is there, right? Input wheres. Remaining one I want to delete. Remaining ones I want to delete. I don't want this. Delete it. I don't want terraform.tfs. Even that is also delete. I don't want dev.auto.tfs. Delete it. I think all variables got deleted. I think no other, right? No other. Only one is there. That is input wheres. In input wheres, I want to specify. Where is the CADR? This is the CADR, right? This is the CADR. CADR block 3. CADR block 3. Type list of string. I hope you got the clarity. What is the type here? List type. In that list, which type of data you want to specify? Which type of data you want to specify? String type. By default, if it is scalar, single element, only string type. Here my intention is I want to specify complex. What is the type of complex type? List type. You know how to specify list. You know already in Python or somewhere we have seen List is represented with square brackets. Are you agree with me? List is represented with square brackets. List is represented with square brackets. Yes. Here is the first item. In the same way, second item. Second item is the comma separated values. Comma separate. Now tell me 15 dot 25 dot 25 dot 0 dot 0 by maybe 16 only. One more thing. 35 dot 35 dot 35 dot 0 dot 0 by 16. How many types here is there? How many scalar types? Three scalar types. If I combine this, we can call it as a one list type. One list type. Is it clear for you? Is it clear for you? Yes or no? This one, how to specify in EC2. Custom VPC here. See, automatically you are getting an error, right? If we try this, we'll get an error. We try this, we'll get an error. Terraform apply. See what it is saying is a list of string. Variable CADR block range is a list of string. How to represent? If it is list type, square bracket of 0 or square bracket of 1 or square bracket of 2. That is your wish. You tell me which one shall I take? 0, 1, 2. Please respond. Which one shall I take? Where I specified three ranges where I specified here. One is 15.15 dot, second one is 25.25 dot, third one is 35. This one you want to attach, this one you want to attach, this one you want to attach. Which one you want to attach based on this? It is the index of 0, it is the index of 1, it is the index of 2. Now you tell me which one shall I take here?
Go for one.
1.
One.
There, 1. Now I think we got it. File, save all. Now try to apply here up arrow, apply. One to destroy, one to add. Existing one removing, new one will create it. Now one in the sense, what is the range here? One in the sense, what is the range here? You know it, I think
25.
25,
25
25.
dot 25 dot
Yeah,
25.
yeah,
Yeah.
25. You'll check it. Really 25, you got it after. Refresh it. Why I'm taking only VPC based in the sense for VPC, you need to pay the amount. If you take EC to multiple times, if you take EC to multiple times, for each EC to it will take 1 hour. It will count it 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour. We may create 100 times means within 1 hour, it may
Yeah.
consider 100 hours. I think 25, 25, got it right? 25,
Yeah.
got 20. Suppose you may ask me, I want to create three VPCs. Yes, by using for loop we can do. We'll see later. We'll see later. There you can use for loop. You know, for loop means repetitive or iteration purpose. Now, till now clear, right? Till now. In the same way, here itself you want to apply which one? Dictionary or map? Dictionary or map? How to represent
Can
dictionary
can
or
we
map?
create multiple VPCs at the same time?
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah, we
we
can
given
create by using count, right? By using count, by
yeah,
using for
here
loop,
here only we can range.
yeah, by using
We can't give range. Range here it is there. No? CIDR
yeah,
block is equal to where that CIDR custom dot VPC TF file there
okay,
only.
custom dot with
We have given
custom
one. Na?
there,
Index
you
ID
want
is given one.
this one
If
in
we
the
give
sense,
one comma two, yeah.
wait,
Can we give
just
like one
here
comma
I
two?
specified, right? Here I specified, right? There,
Yes,
which one you want to specify? For either first
only one.
argument or second argument, it will take only one argument. That's it.
Okay,
We need to pass for at a time, we'll pass only one. At a time, we'll pass only
okay,
one.
okay.
Got it or not? See, I
Yeah,
may
yeah,
go
yeah.
with small modification. I'll do it. Wait. Here, see, count is equal to 3. Right, understand. Count is equal to 3. Now, got it? Count is equal to 3.
Yeah.
Here, what does it mean? What I may pass here? See, count dot there count dot index. Count dot index. What I passed here? Count dot index represent first zero here. Got it or not? Here
Yeah, yeah.
also tag names. See my VPC, my underscore VPC plus plus. Please observe here. Count dot count count dot index plus one. I am
Okay.
specifying.
Yeah,
This is
understood.
this is the general programming instructions.
Okay,
We
okay.
know we
Yeah.
know some logics that's why I'm applying, right? You understood, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
Yeah.
understood.
Now we'll try it. Now we'll try it. You may get my VPC. Even I may get my VPC colon
Is
one.
it valid? Counted
Yeah.
at index is in this normal bracket, normal braces.
This bracket.
Bracket. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Valid.
There we have given, yeah, there we have given square bracket. Na?
Say count
For
dot
that one
index.
count.
This is zero.
Here also we are giving count. Na? Ah, okay.
Where? This one.
This one. Now you are
This is
selected. Yeah, this one.
this is also valid.
Here we have given count dot index for square bracket given.
Yeah. Square. This is the array, right? This is the
Count.
list, right?
Yeah,
This
yeah.
this this
This
is
is
the
also
list
array.
type.
Na? Bottom one.
Here only for
Bottom one.
concatenation, we are assigning the only number here.
Okay,
Here,
okay.
CADR block range in variables we specify like this. Here, this is the list.
Yes.
This is the list. This is for which one? CADR block range. See, wherever CADR block range is there, for this 0, for this 1, for this 2. You try to understand. This is
Okay.
CADR
Yeah,
block
understood.
range of
Understood.
0 means this. 1
Zero.
means this.
Okay.
2 means
Automatically
this.
it will take
See, I use
zero.
this name. Now you will
Yes.
get the CADR block range square bracket because of list type. Here, this is not the CADR
Yes.
block range, right? This is not. That's why no need of square brackets.
Okay.
General
Yeah. Okay.
programming
Okay.
rules were applied. See, if you
Okay.
ask dynamically I am doing means just little bit coding knowledge I am having. That's fine. Otherwise,
Yes.
I'll
Yes.
go
Yeah.
I'll go and refer
Yeah.
it. I'll
Understood.
go and do something. Anyway, we'll check it. It will
Yeah.
work or
Correct.
not.
Okay.
Now, just what shall I do? Please respond. Terraform apply only, right?
Terraform apply.
Terraform
Yeah.
apply only.
Yes. Apply.
It will try for something. Now it is expecting which one? Uh, unsuitable value for left operand. Left operand. Okay. Within double quotation only we need to specify. That's one. That's all.
Okay.
Within double
Yes, sir.
quotation only you need to specify. This is the syntax problem. This is the syntax problem. Okay. We may go with this now plus one. Now plus one. Even that too. Okay, understood. Even otherwise you may go dollar sign. Dollar sign means concatenation, right? Here dollar sign is concatenation. Are you agree with me? Dollar sign is a supporting or not?
Yes.
Dollar double quotation. Here we need to specify dollar. Now is it okay? I think it is okay. Control yes. Try to execute once again. This is the syntax error. It's specifying. Now, yeah, processing. Again, you're getting an error. Variable CADR block range COUNT count dot index line 11. The reference AWS my VPC. AWS my VPC. AWS VPC my VPC. Only one error. CADR block is equal to CADR block is equal to variable dot CADR block range. They specified for only one thing. CADR block. CADR block. We are correct only. Something we need to add. What we need to add? 3 times it will execute, right? 3 times it will execute. That one you need to specify. That one you need to. This is only for three. It is not a for loop. It is not a for loop. Okay.
Okay.
There we need to specify one more thing. We need to specify one more. Okay. We'll discuss later. Such type of scenarios also there. We'll see. Okay.
Okay.
There we need to
Okay.
specify one by one here. You want to specify multiple things. So you'll go there. Or otherwise, quickly I'll go there. Windows key, I'll show you. That one. I'm going to downloads. There I am going to HashiCorp associate main. There here. There I am going for Terraform. Terraform variables. Within the Terraform variables, Terraform output, Terraform local variables, Terraform input variables, Terraform input variables. Is there any for loop? Is there any for loop? Validation rules, sensitive input values. Is there any input variables maps is there? Input variables list is there. There variables security groups. Just to take instance, just you can instantiate. Which one did we use here? Which one did we use here? Here also we used only this representation, right? See, we didn't use any for loop here. We didn't use any for loop here. Only which one we
Yes.
use? Single item, single item.
Single. Yes.
Even we are having somewhere. I think for loop one is there. Input map also. This is the validation rules. Input variable validation rules. Validate C1 version variables. Here go to instance type. Here also nothing is there. Instance type. Okay, already we are having such example. Such example VPC. Okay, this is not the right one. Close this. Go back. Sensitive input variables. Sensitive input variables. Secrets variables. RTSDB. Okay, it is not there. Okay, somewhere it is there. I think one step back. Terraform output variables, Terraform local variables, Terraform data source, Terraform state, Terraform workspace, Terraform provisioners. Okay. Somewhere it is there. Only count variable, not count and follow. Otherwise 6. Terraform manifest. Okay, we'll check later. Or else how to use. Okay, quickly we'll see that one. Or loop in, or loop in. That is there. Terraform. Terraform. Terraform for loop expression. For loop in Terraform for list type. For list objects. Oh, they specified, they written some additional things. The source example for each to set to set use such type of implementation. We need to go for local variables. We need to go for local variables. Where the user for each. Okay, we'll see later because of the given complex scenarios. I'll convert it into simple. Now just go for map representation. Map. Same thing, we need to convert into map. Now here I'm removing count. There we need to specify variables, right? Input values. Input values. Now here map representation means Same thing only, but you need to use flower bracket, flower bracket. Yes,
Okay.
there, remove this one. Maybe this is for, maybe we are giving one name, key1, key1 is equal, or key value representation, right? Then enter key2 is equal to, then we go for key3 is equal to, whatever the name you can specify, key3 is equal to. What you need to specify here, closing curly braces. This one clear, right? This is the way you need to specify. How to pass this? Control yes, control yes. How to pass this in the sense? Go to your here, there, there in place of, there we need to remove these things because of it is not working right. Here see, variable dot, CLDR block range dot. What is the name of the key? Respond here. What is the name of the key? Double quotation key. Is it clear for you? Here in previous scenario index we specified. Here is
Yes.
key
Key
holding
one.
value. This key one contain, this key one contains something 15 dot something, right? Already we written
Yes.
here. Control yes. Control yes. Now we try to execute. Enter here. Up arrow. Like now this default value is not compatible with the variable type. There are small thing we need to change. Now have you identified? Here don't use list. Here use map. Map. Then only it will recognize. Control yes. Control yes. Up arrow. Enter it. Now it will work. Now you make it 15.15.0.0. 15.15.0.0. Now quickly check it. Go to where you want to go. Here itself only. There. Yes. Refresh it. There, check it. 15.15.0.0 is there. It is there, right? 15.15.0.0.
Zero.
Till now you got the clarity. Now we
Yeah.
implemented all the types of variables now. Tomorrow
Okay.
we'll go for local variables. Tomorrow we'll go for local
Okay.
variables.
Okay.
Sunday also I may take the class. Maybe at 6 o'clock if Markonda sir may not take, again I may continue. Again I may continue. If he is able to take, no problem. Okay, thank you. Here I'm having one more
Okay.
class. I'll continue that. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Stop the recording.